Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my experience using vitamin C serum for a whole month. I used the vitamin C serum from Boots Ingredients and this is what it looks like. And it's a simple, minimally designed plastic bottle. According to healthline.com, vitamin C is an antioxidant, meaning it halts or holds off environmental and sun damage to the skin. MedicalNewsToday.com says that vitamin C serums have the potential to improve skin's appearance by preventing wrinkling and reducing the appearance of hyperpigmented areas. So, basically, the reason I started using vitamin C serum was to help me with the hyperpigmentation that I have left on my skin because of all the acne breakouts. Now I have my makeup on, but if you see closely, you can see a couple of hyperpigmentation scars that I have left on my face, and I used the vitamin C serum in hopes to get rid of them. If you just came here for the results, you can skip on over ahead. I have timestamps on for the results, and if you're here for the whole video, I have some insightful information for you. Alright, before I get to my experience of using this vitamin C serum, I just want to speak about the vitamin C serum itself. Now this serum is by Boots Ingredients, as I already mentioned. You get a total of 30 ml of vitamin C serum in this little bottle, and it has a little pump. With this particular serum, I did not notice any particular fragrance as such. Maybe there is fragrance in the ingredient list, I'm not very sure. I was not able to smell anything too strong with it, so that's good. I will just post the ingredient list right here. You can pause and check the whole thing out. Okay, that's it. So let's talk about my experience with it. So the first time I used the serum was on October 28th, 2021, and today is November 27th, 2021. So I have been using it for about a month now. So every morning after I cleansed my face, I used this vitamin C serum on my face. I used a single pump of this serum every single day, and that was actually enough for my whole face. The serum felt very cooling and soothing on my skin, and I really liked the feel of it. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I did not notice any particular fragrance with it, so that was good as well. So vitamin C serums are generally not known to help you get rid of acne, but they are known to help you get rid of the hyperpigmentation left behind by your acne. So what I did to keep my acne at bay was use benzoyl peroxide every night. So the benzoyl peroxide kept my acne in control, and the vitamin C was supposed to reduce my hyperpigmentation. You can go ahead and judge for yourself from the results I have posted, but in my opinion, I don't think it has changed a lot on my face. I didn't notice a lot of the hyperpigmentation go away. So unfortunately, I do not know if it actually worked on my skin or not. Again, I have been using this only for a month, so that may also be the reason. Maybe if I use it for longer, it might help me in the long run. Although vitamin C serum is usually supposed to work anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. So if it were to work, it maybe should have worked, but it hasn't. Maybe I just need to keep using it more to get the desired results. Now the good thing about this serum and Boots Ingredients as a brand is that they are vegan and cruelty free. And this little bottle is also recyclable, so that's great. But there is one thing I'd like to mention, and that is that they have not mentioned the percentage of vitamin C in this particular serum. And surprisingly, it is the case for almost all of the Boots Ingredients serums. I have seen some of their other serums at the Boots Ingredients store, and a lot of them have not mentioned the percentages of the active used in the serum. So that kind of seems a little shady to me. I don't really know. I hope it's not. Maybe they have put in the required amount of active in these serums. I am not very sure, but they haven't mentioned anything about it, so I am a little skeptical about it. On the side of the bottle, they have mentioned what the serum is good for, and it says that it makes your skin look brighter, your skin feels smoother, and it gives the skin a refreshing boost. Does my skin look brighter? I am not very sure. Does it feel smoother? Again, I'm not very sure. And that it gives your skin a refreshing boost. Yes, I will give that a yes, because it did give me a refreshing boost. As I told you, it felt very cooling and soothing on my skin, so that is something I really liked about this serum. Generally, in a vitamin C serum, the concentration of vitamin C, that is the ascorbic acid, is somewhere around 10 to 20%. So I'm just gonna give this the benefit of the doubt and say that they may have somewhere around 10 to 20% of concentration of vitamin C in it. But again, we cannot judge because they have not given any such information. So here are the results. As I mentioned earlier, I don't really see much big of a difference, but you can judge for yourselves and let me know if you actually see a difference or not. So that was it for this video. This was my 1 month of using vitamin C serum. I might continue to use it actually because I really like the way it felt on my skin, and it may help me with my hyperpigmentation if I keep using it. So I think I will give it another shot and maybe use it for another month or so. If I don't see any difference, then I will have to move on to another better product. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please make sure to like this video, comment down below whatever you thought about this video, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!